Pisau anyui dari omba anam bada buah dari durian takut gajo satuan alam Minangkabau ado baluha ado bagantau
batok pulo
jiko dikaji pandu dua nambujang suko magantau nagadi pau nyi rumah baban nambage ladi pikua baban nagingan ladi jinjiang Dapat omba di pantai,
di pantai, di pantai.
Dapat omba di pantai,
Di pantai, di pantai.
Dapat omba di pantai,
Di pantai, di pantai. Batala sumbu di singgalan, tadayo cando, balai,
oi tadayo cando, balai.
been rising and setting every day. The blooming flower has lingered. But we just meet now, Uni. How have you been? Oh, my dear friend. A lot of heart and fun times that I have been through. My hair, which was once black, now has turned white. My strong body now has been weak. But with the darkness, I still live healthily until now. I hope you are in the same condition. As you can see, along with the increasing age, my body is also in the condition. The son who I have been taken care of now has given back all the merit. I hope it goes the same with his son. All of the merit might never be given back yet. But just by looking my son Wimudo is fine and happy. That's enough for me.
Oh, my dear Uni, how unfortunate your situation is. Look at my son, who has become a Panggulu. And look at her son, who has become a Gembala. But your son Wimudo, just like a bird, trapped in his cage.
I'm happy to hear that. Both of you must be proud of your sons. But I have been thinking about the future of my son Wimudo. I always pray for his success. But just our God, the only one who will give him the fortune.
It's true that God, the only one who can give the fortune. But we as the human have to make our effort. It would be better if you ask Wimudo to get a doctor. Now, please excuse us too.
The bright sky suddenly become gloomy. Just like my heart that filled with worry. I worry about my son Wimudo. Everyone in this village always talks about my son Wimudo. I can't stand it anymore. Oh my God, my leg can't stand it anymore. Where are you, my dear son? Stop! Oh, my beloved son. What is it? What is it? A bird. What else do you
Jalan 12.
an English from you? Oh, Wimudo, my dear son. The only one that I worry about is you. You haven't got any job yet. You haven't had a dream for your future. Monday,
Well, my dear, as it's not easy to come again from the lost.
Oh, you know my only son. If you think that a merchant is not an easy job, then we have so many benefits. So why don't you try to be a farmer?
How could you expect me to be a farmer, my dear? I am too young. Body is a bit dirty.
So what should I supposed to do with the dog? I don't have any idea anymore. How about being a juara? Stand in front of many people, and you can go learning silat from Tuanku Panjang Jambik to make you become a good juara. And everyone in this village will respect you more and more.
Is that what you say, my dear? I will see it. Tuan Guru Panjang Jambik. Oh, my beloved money. I don't want to go to a wedding party. After all, my body is tired. My eyes are sleepy.
Don't you like that when you love my dear son? If you worry about clothes, I will prepare it for you. And if you worry about God, Mother will also prepare it for you. So you can go to the wedding party with your pleasure.
If that can make you quiet, I will ask the girl.
Where have you been, Dudo? Look at here. Lihat mama and Cedek Pandai, Kurang Sumando and Sukando, and all the kids are here together in this beautiful day. And you are the only one who ever before. What makes you so late?
If you were wondering about me, I was always learning, deepen my skill, and that's the only reason for my direction. desiring to walk. I will try my best.
Now, like one of my husband's students, Pandeka Chak, fight him with your great talent until he gets up in his day. Oh, my dear friend, Putih Balamban, whose beauty is that. He's handsome and also awesome. He's like an eagle, but the eagle falls because of he's looking at your beauty. Culture. Oh my God, friend. What you say is really true. Just like an arrow hit the target. My dear Putih Balamban, you are so adorable and wise. Please give him some advice. From the distance, I saw you fight wonderfully. My footsteps bring closer to you. With the hope, could reach the best fighter, a juara from Kapur out. However, it's just an illusion of my blue eyes. Then I know you are just a young man with a little juara who can easily get distracted by a glimpse of lady walking by. But my dear Putih Balamban, it's just like a child learns to walk. Even if he falls, he will surely stand up again. Even a child who learns to walk is much better than him. Gala, the sun has been in his room. Let's go back. What happened to you, bro? You lost your control and the stability. Don't you know, a good fighter should not be distracted by anything.
My
Oh, Ibu-Ibu, my dear son. What happened to you? Did you lose in your fight? Did you surrender from your opponent? Please, tell your man this.
It is not about losing money. It is not about surrendering. No one could beat me. I am the Jivan of the sea. If you ask one, make your way to Galan house for me, as this time I'm speaking.
Oh, Udo, my son, whom I love very much. Why should I go to Galan's house? What has Galan done to you?
Why did you seem confused for me? Why did you ask like a fool? You better ask Galan herself whether she wants to be my wife.
If that would make you happy, one that cannot refuse it. I will go to Galan's house right away.
Oh my youth. Please come. Don't just stay there. Listen to what you worship.
Oh, my dear. There is an important message that I want to convey. A message is from my son Udo to you, Dr. Putih Galangkanya. My son Udo wants you, doctor, to be his wife. He wants to marry.
If that's the reason why you visit, I'm out everywhere. But it depends on the government. The decision is on the hand. Galang, come here.
Yes, my dear.
Mother will join us something.
Yes, my dear. What do you want to convey? Oh, Putih Galangkanya, my dear. A beautiful daughter of your parents. Listen carefully to everything I say. And please, think about this deeply. And don't postpone your answer too long. My son Udo wants you to be his wife. He wants to marry you. Getting married is not easy. It's not enough if it's just for one side. It may be true, your son Udo wants to be my husband. But we just met one time. Please ask your son once again. Oh, Putih Galangkanya, my dear. Is that really what you feel? Don't you want to consider your answer again? Please, think once again. I have my answer, as clear as the water in the glass.
Yes, I know who Wimudo is. He is handsome just because of his clothes. He's popular just because of his part of this family. And he's rich just because of his father's heritage. So, that's how it is. That's my final answer. I don't want to marry him because I don't love him. Please tell him.
If that's what you said about my son, Wimudo, I will tell my son Wimudo about your decision.
I'm sorry. That's the answer of God. And I can't force her.
Please excuse me.
Even though I already know the answer, there is no way that Putri Galambanya could refuse my proposal. Because I am handsome. And I am popular. And I am rich. But I want to hear it directly from you. Just say it, boys.
Oh, Wimudo, my dear son. Putri Galambanya doesn't love you.
She doesn't even know me. She will take the consequence of refusing me.
This is what I worry about. You will have to dig up my man more and more.
No, go away with me. Go to rumah mata kucing to find out how to find you.
Oh, we could know my only son. What will you do with the Barco Anwe? What is the Barco for?
It is not your business, honey. Your job is to find the bottle box and to make it happen. If you can't find the bottle box, you will not see me again, and I will hurt myself.
If that's what you want to do, Rumah mata kucing. Rumah mata kucing is a dangerous place. But I will go to rumah mata kucing for finding the Barco Anwe for you to do. I don't mind sacrificing myself for your happiness. But if something that happened to me, you are the only one who will be happy. Because I'm not allowed to see you anymore. This old wood have been tired. I've been looking around for this way to look for the Barco Anwe that my son Winfrey is asking for. But I don't find it yet. And where should I find the Barco Anwe? My son will not very big. I wonder there is someone who can help me to find the Barco Anwe. Please help me.
Who are you? What are you doing? How dare you? Stop running away! Disturb my composure.
You got suddenly.
Who are you? You ask me who I am? You ask me who I am? I know every inch of this beautiful rumah mata kucing. I hear every step on this land. I am the guardian of this place.
You have the journey. Did you get a Parupua, Khalid? If you can't find the Parupua, go away. And don't come back until you find it.
Oh, Ibu, my dear son. Don't worry about it. Even I almost died. Even I almost cannot see you again. I could find the Parupua. This is the Parupua that you are asking for.
You have done a great job, Khalid.
Oh, Ibu, my only son. I still get out about the Parupua. What will you do with the Parupua? What is the Parupua for?
Erasing all of myself is what I want with this Parupua. From this Parupua, I will make a 222 now. And I will blow it and lock into the light when put it like a bag.
No,
So I will get my revenge.
no, no, no. Listen to me. Listen to your mother. You shouldn't go there. You must not do that. If Putri Amanya become the target of human fraud, an unfortunate thing will happen to our family. Please, Mudo, tell me that you will not do that. Oh my God, don't do
blown by you. Yes, it's true. What a great news, Galang. Finally, you, the most beautiful lady in the village, will belong to someone that values. Ladies, listen. There is no way I will accept someone like him to be my husband. He's really nothing. There is no part of him that makes me attractive. Time is not waiting. Let's go to what Kuchuran to take back. Wait! I'm my book. Wait. It's dangerous to walk home. I will go with you. Galang, this is it for us. Two!
My dear, Putih Galang Melayu, your beauty stands before the end. The wind that knows itself. Don't spend much time standing there. As it collapses, it will bring you down.
Who are you? Which man would dare to disturb a lady in this kind of place? Go! Don't bother me!
Iya. Iya.
Where is my son? So, it's you, Window. What are you doing here? Don't make fun of me. Can't you see? My stuff has gone. Have you had enough with that?
My dear Putih Galang Melayu, you are a beautiful lady who attracts my attention. Day and night, my mind is filled with you. Your face, your voice and your grace. And all I want is to be your son. Please, be my wife.
You asked me to be your wife? What can you call living? What can you give me in return?
My dear Putih Galang Melayu, don't put your pride that high. Consider it responsibility. And this time, if you think I deserve your heart, take my hand.
Don't be easily fooled by the eyes. Lying lanes just bring me misfortune. You have no love for me, Individual. And also, I don't love you. Never. You get attracted by my beauty. You know, you're handsome just because of your clothes. You're popular just because of your part of your family. And you're rich just because of your father's heritage. That's the reason why I refuse you. Go away. I won't see you anymore.
So, what my man is saying is true. If that's what you say, Galang, I can confess with you. You will take the consequence on your own.
si mambang kita, dua si mambang siang, tiga si mambang sampai si mambang hijau. Nanden bolah lah rotan, nanden bolah denai pahatu, nanden suruh si rayo setan jagokan adil, nanden jagolah maaf.
but I'm only a human.